Oh Zelda, oh beautiful lady, how I long to caress you, hold you close, be your lover and protector. But you don't see me. You turn away at my approach, just another old man, turning gray, invisible. Yes, it's true, my bones do ache, and my back is not as straight, and that I know you see. My hollow cheeks, the spots from age upon my hands, these I know you see. But you never know what is inside, the love and passion. You only imagine the heartburn and hemorrhoids, and empty spaces where teeth once were. When you see me, you turn away. Oh Zelda, oh beautiful lady, when I look at you, my heart beats strong, and my old blood pumps through my encrusted veins. The color returns to my battered flesh. The struggles of a lifetime are forgotten, for a moment at least. And that I see that you ignore me, that I am not there, still my heart reaches to you in silent, loving agony. Yes, all these things are true. The liver spots, the morning trots, the scabs upon my skin. But you should know that at my worst, my love is strong, and at least I'm not Dick Cheney.